Want the most lifelike voice or the fastest pipeline? Today we pit Tortoise TTS versus ElevenLabs Ultra-Realism versus Speed and Studio Polish. Tortoise TTS is an open source powerhouse built for extreme realism and rich prosody. It can produce incredibly natural intonation and multi-voice outputs. But it's resource heavy and slower to render unless you deeply optimize or run fast forks. ElevenLabs focuses on studio consistency and low latency. Their Flash and Turbo models deliver very low time to first byte for conversational or near real-time use while also offering highly polished, expressive voices and managed hosting. So you trade some openness for speed, reliability, and easier scaling. ElevenLabs is best when real-time, reliable, and production-grade voice matters, more than DIY tuning. Which wins for you? Gorgeous but slower tortoise or fast to degrade like ElevenLabs?